Did you know that there are some tips, tricks and hacks in YouTube desktop version? If not, here is your buddy to help you. So let's get started. Hi, what's up? This is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about the tech, whether they're tech issues, reviews, tutorials, unboxing and much more, and that all in one right here on this channel. Alright, so if you really wanted to change your name on YouTube, you can actually do this by going onto here. Right, so if you wanted to change your name, go onto the top right hand side, and then where it says your name, just go onto where it says your channel. Then go to customize channel, and then go back here, go on to where it says YouTube settings, and from here you see it says in here edit on Google. So now it's giving you the option to actually change your name, and then you can just say okay, and that's it. That will actually change your name forever. Oh yeah, you can always come back to this and change it after a certain amount of time. It will tell you when you have actually changed your name. I bet you didn't know that one, did you? Right, so this next one is basically really cool if you wanted to actually block people or stop people from seeing who have you actually subscribed. Right, so here we go. Go back to your homepage, go on to customize channel, then go on to the spanner. There we go, this is the spanner. Click on here, and then on the private section under where it says keep all my subscriptions private, then just take this on. That's it. That's the only thing that you need to do, and it's alright, just thank me later. And did you know that you can actually see what other people are looking at, what other people can see on your channel when they're visiting? Here you go. Here's how you can see it actually without even having to create a second account and coming back to your channel and thinking, oh wait, is this right? Okay, so here we go. This is what it is. In here where it says, so after you went on to your home channel and then you still have the spanner in here, you go into where it says view as. So you go to, you either select new visitor or returning visitor. For now it's yourself, so that's fine. If you just go on to new visitor, this is what they're going to be seeing. Basically, this is how they're actually going to be seeing it. And if you haven't already, so please subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be coming with a lot of hacks, tips and tricks for you guys, not only for YouTube but other social media platforms as well. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the next tip. And did you know that you can actually change your thumbnail to a different thumbnail if you've already actually uploaded a video and you have got a thumbnail? And did you know that you can actually change your thumbnail? If not, let's go ahead and I'll show you how. From the homepage, from your YouTube homepage, go on to YouTube Studio, then go on to videos. Then from here, just choose any video that you'd like. Go on to this pen icon. Then down here, there's 3 dots in here, so just click on them and you see it just gives you the option to change. You can also download it if you wanted. I know you liked this one, didn't you? Because you didn't know how to actually change your thumbnail if you didn't like the one that you've already uploaded. Guys, this trick that I'm going to be giving you guys is such a lifesaver. Okay, so basically in here you can actually stop people from commenting and showing up on your video. But then if someone has actually commented on your video and maybe you're not sure of if that should be in there or not, you can actually set your settings so that YouTube can hold that comment, and then you can come over to it and basically review it and just say tick to it if you wanted that comment to show on your video. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how. So since you're already on your YouTube Studio, it'll just be easy to just go and get the settings from here. So you go on to the left hand side on your YouTube Studio, click on settings, and then go on to community, and from here go on to default. Then go on to where it says hold potentially inappropriate comment for review. Okay, so you just press on that and then just press on save. Now if you want to go on to where it says comments, You then need to go onto where it says held for review. So, and then it's the same thing for where it says likely spam. It's just going to be the same thing on the review page, but because I've already checked all the comments to say that they're all appropriate for me, for it to be on my video, so I didn't have anything on there. But I'm just going to quickly show you that. Here we go. This is how it all looks like. And because obviously these are all the ones that are very appropriate to my channel, because they're just thanking me, so you can just say tick and this will be approved. Did you know that YouTube actually detects if someone has, used your content? And to do that, from your YouTube studio, just go onto where it says copyright and you'll get to this page. Basically, this is all the videos of mine that someone else has uploaded, which obviously I didn't know about until I found out this little nifty option in here. Basically, I can really ask for them to be removed, or maybe just allow it to be there. I can just ask them to request removal or contact the channel or whatever, do whatever to it, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. Alright guys, so this tip is very useful if you wanted to put music on your background that is actually copyright free. So let's go ahead and jump onto it. Right, here we go. It says audio library. You go on there, you've got so many tracks that you can choose from, and you can put it on your YouTube background and it will never strike for, copyright or anything, because this is just free for you guys to use it. And then after that, you've got sound effects. So sound effects are pretty nice when you're actually making like an effect or something. You can just use sound effects and it will just make your video like a pro. Alright guys, so this next one is basically allowing you guys to basically have a control on your actual channel. Obviously you have all the controls, but this one is actually getting you into what you actually want to see and not see. Alright, so here we go. We're on our homepage, and then these are some videos that have been suggested for me, and there are a few that I may not want to know about or may not want to watch. Then I can actually go onto any video and just click on these three dots and say not interested. So then this way YouTube will not show me any of these videos in the future. Hey, and are you interested to go on to the other YouTube platforms such as YouTube TV, maybe YouTube, Buddy, or whatever you want to go on to? You can do this now by only one click. So let's see where we go now. Right, so you go on to the top right hand side of your channel. You see these YouTube dots or whatever you want to call them. So you just want to go on there, and from here you can actually go on to YouTube TV, YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, YouTube Creator Academy, YouTube for Artists. Basically it's just there for you, and just one click away and you'll be there. Right, so this is the last but not least. Right, so this is going to be the last tip that I'm going to be showing you guys, which is very simple, and I have actually shown this on the TV version, which I will link on the description box below. So go ahead and check it if you didn't know how to remove this from your screen on your TV. Right, so but now we're talking about the desktop version. Alright, so if you accidentally got this screen on the video that you're watching, here is how to actually get rid of it. You see this X in here, you just click on it and it will just go away. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. Oh, and before you go, just comment below of which one you actually liked and which one was the one that you didn't know. Okay, but before you go, here's one thing that you need to do before you actually leave this video. Just comment below, because I'm going to be featuring your comment on my next video. So the first one and the last one I've seen before I make another video, I will be featuring it on my YouTube channel. So on that video, so then that way you can get a nice little shout out. So what are you waiting for? Comment.